The internet, my friends, is like a public restroom. We all use it, but nobody wants to talk about what we do in there. It's a place where we handle our private business, yet it's far from private. And just like that public restroom, the internet's got eyes everywhere. Every click, every scroll, every keystroke is being watched. Every website you visit, every link you click, every cat video you watch, somebody somewhere is probably keeping tabs on it. Creepy, right? It's like having a shadow that never leaves you alone. We live in a world where companies collect your data like it's going out of style. They gather it, analyze it, and use it to their advantage. Your browsing history, your location, your online shopping habits, it's all up for grabs. They know more about you than you might think. They use this information to target you with ads, track your behavior, and who knows what else. It's a digital goldmine for marketers and data brokers. It's enough to make you want to swear off the internet altogether and go live in a yurt. Imagine a life free from digital surveillance. But fear not, dear citizen, there are ways to reclaim your privacy. There's a way to protect yourself from the prying eyes of the internet overlords, a VPN. It's a powerful tool in your privacy arsenal. Think of a VPN as the online equivalent of a paper shredder. It destroys any trace of your digital footprint. It takes all your internet traffic, your emails, your browsing history, your online banking transactions, and scrambles it up so nobody can snoop on what you're doing. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your data. It's like sending all your sensitive information through a secret tunnel, safe from the prying eyes of hackers, corporations, and even your own government. With a VPN, you can browse with peace of mind, knowing your privacy is protected. But hold on a second. Not all VPNs are created equal. Some can actually put your data at risk. Imagine thinking you're safe, only to find out your VPN is leaking your information. That's why it's crucial to choose a reputable VPN service. Do your homework, read reviews, and compare features. A reliable VPN will have strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and a good track record. So, while a VPN can be a powerful tool for protecting your privacy, make sure you pick the right one. Your online safety depends on it. So, what exactly is a VPN? Well, VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Sounds complicated, right? But it's actually quite simple. A VPN is a tool that helps you stay anonymous and secure online. Imagine the internet as a giant highway bustling with traffic. When you connect to the internet normally, you're driving down that highway in a convertible with the top down, exposed to everyone. Anyone can see who you are, where you're going, and what you're carrying. Your online activities are visible to prying eyes. A VPN is like putting the top up on that convertible and driving through a secret tunnel, away from prying eyes. It creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet, hiding your IP address and encrypting your data, making it unreadable to outsiders. This makes it nearly impossible for anyone to track your online activity or intercept your sensitive information, like passwords or credit card numbers. Think of it like this. When you use a VPN, you're essentially borrowing a different car with tinted windows and a fake license plate to drive down that internet highway, ensuring your privacy. Here's how it works. When you connect to a VPN, your device first connects to a VPN server, which is a secure intermediary. This server acts as a middleman between your device and the wider internet, masking your true location. All your internet traffic is routed through this server, and it appears as if you're browsing the web from the server's location, not your own. This adds an extra layer of security and anonymity. Okay, so we've established that VPNs can help you stay anonymous online. But what does that really mean for you? But why is that important? Why should you care about staying hidden online? Well, there are actually quite a few benefits to using a VPN. Beyond just hiding your browsing history from your nosy roommate or family members, first and foremost, VPNs protect your privacy. They act as a shield, keeping your personal data away from prying eyes. With all the data breaches and online surveillance going on these days, it's more important than ever to safeguard your personal information. Your data is valuable, and you need to protect it. A VPN can help you do just that by encrypting your data and masking your IP address. This means your online actions are hidden from potential threats. This makes it much harder for hackers, advertisers, and other third parties to track your online activity or steal your sensitive information. It's like having a digital bodyguard, but it's not just about privacy. There are other significant advantages. A VPN can also help you bypass censorship and access geo-restricted content. This is especially useful in today's globalized world. Traveling to a country with strict internet censorship? Don't let that stop you from staying connected. Use a VPN to access your favorite websites and social media platforms. Stay in touch with friends and family no matter where you are. Want to watch a movie that's only available in another country? Or perhaps a TV show that's not in your region? A VPN can help you with that too. Enjoy global content without restrictions. And then there's the professional use case. For business travelers and remote workers, a VPN is a must-have tool. If you're working remotely or traveling for business, a VPN is essential for protecting your company's data. It ensures that your work remains confidential. By encrypting your connection, you can ensure that sensitive information like client data or financial records remains secure, even if you're using public Wi-Fi. This peace of mind is invaluable in today's digital age.